I hear a bee. Oh my gosh. Welcome back to the channel, guys. This weekend my friend Stacy's in town, so I'm gonna go meet up with her and do some hiking. Probably at Amicalola Falls up in North Georgia, and Mike is headed off with the camper to take it to the camper place so that we can see if we can get some of our issues fixed. So we'll see what happens with that. Because it's 80 degrees outside, so my grandma always taught me that if you ride out with the windows down, it helps you adjust to the outside air versus having your AC on full blast. So it's a little bit of a less of a shock when you know, go outside, and you won't be as hot. So I'm prepping and ready to hike. These roads are all of a sudden wet. I guess it must have rained up here, but I didn't see any rain on my way up so far. I still have about 6 minutes to the lodge, but I'm at the entrance gates to Amicalola Falls now. I bought this pass, this Georgia State Park Pass, when we were up at Unicoi, so I'm hoping that this counts for what I need it to here. So I'm about to find out. Hello, does this count here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Good.
All right, thank you. All right, cool. My Georgia State Pass works. I'm gonna put it up in the window and I'm good to go. Yeah. 6 more minutes. Such a steep incline. I have to keep switching to second gear. Dang. Dangerous intersection. Oh crap. Not good. Yikes. Go, people, go. Front and center. So this is the top of the falls. Ooh, that's pretty. What are you videoing? Me? Alright, here we go. We're at the middle of the falls now. Standing over the middle of the falls. So this came down from there, and I'm thinking it's 175 plus the 425, but I'm not too sure. You can't see anything. The water at the bottom of the falls. There's the falls right there. We came from up there and came all the way down and over, and now we're here. Now we're on a trail next to the bottom of the falls, headed up to the visitor center. Made it to a parking lot. It's halfway to our parking lot. We'll get there. I guess this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 25. I'm gonna count, see if there's really 400 and whatever. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. $100. We're at 173. That's what we just said. 200. Only 200 more. That was 225. $400. We only have 25 more. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 425. The sign does not lie. I counted every one of them, and that's accurate. The top of the falls, and we went down in there to the middle of the falls, and all the way down to there to that retention pond at the bottom of the falls. Then we somehow hiked over here and did some weird thing, and then came up to the stairs and ended up where we are now. We did an hour and 50 minutes. We went 1.84 miles, and we only gained 690 feet. 691 feet in elevation. That's not bad. I'm headed home now. It's about an hour and 47 minutes till I get home. And it was a great day hiking. The weather was beautiful. It wasn't too hot. Going up those stairs wasn't nearly as bad as I was dreading, but it was good. Had a lot of fun. It was nice seeing my friend again, and now I'm headed home to the boys.